Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on this channel. I'm Szabi from CodeRevolution. So today I will be showing you how to use my latest plugin, Rakutenomatic post generator plugin for WordPress. So this is an affiliate plugin and it will work with a Rakuten affiliate marketplace. So let us jump straight into this and let me show you how to configure the plugin. So this is the plugins menu. After you will install it, you will see this menu. Here you will be able to configure the Rakuten API settings, so it will work with the plugin. So here you will need to enter your Rakuten username and your password. I enter this right now and I pause the video while I do this. Okay, so I am back. I entered my username and password. Now let me enter the Rakuten token request authorization. So this can be gotten if you hover your mouse over the question mark here and click on the here word. So click on this link, and after you log in also in this login form. So let me log in here also. Then you will be redirected to this page where if you don't have an active subscription to the API, you will have to follow the steps that I show you. So let me guide you from zero. So disregard the fact that I am already subscribed here. Let me go to my applications and start everything from scratch. So go to my applications and create a new app. Give it a name. Throttling tier you can leave unlimited and click add. You added your new app here. Now go to APIs menu. Here select product search. And here on the right side select the app that you created, new app, tier unlimited, and click subscribe. Now you are subscribed to the API. Click on go to my subscriptions, and here click on the product search API. Here you will see that you are subscribed. If you go back and see this generate button, you can create a token request authorization. So after you hit that generate button, you can get this entire string. Be sure to copy the entire string here. Go to plugin settings and paste it here. Now all we need is a Rakuten advertising site ID. For this, go to this link, log in, and you will need to copy this number from the top right side of the page and paste it here. Click save Rakuten API info, and now we can go ahead and go to Rakuten API to posts. Now here you might see that the plugin is not authorized. In this case you will have a button here, authorize the app. You will have to click authorize the app and this menu will appear for you. So after you click the authorize the app button, the plugin will be able to be fully used by you. Okay, now let me go ahead and generate some posts for you. If we go to our site here, we will see that I have only a test post, a hello world test post. And let me go ahead and do some importing with the plugin, some basic importing, and afterwards I will dive in also in advanced plugin settings. So for this we need to create a new role. For example, let me add some keyword search. For example, New York. This is just the first thing that came to the top of my head. Let's import free posts, save settings, and let's run importing. So this will start the post generation in the plugin, and affiliate links will flow into our blog in the generated posts. So posts are created. Now let us refresh our site. Okay, so here are the New York related posts that we got from the plugin. If you want to delete the duplicate image, in this case I have a theme that displays the featured image of the article, and also the plugin generates here a image. And in this case I have two options. I can disable the featured image generation. So for this, disable the auto get featured image checkbox. So this should be unchecked, and we can delete all posts that we created and rerun importing so we can regenerate them. So this is how you fix the duplicate image importing, and if we refresh this, we will see that the featured image is no more there, not there anymore. And the buy now link will go directly to Udemy in this case, because it is a course from Udemy that I am promoting. Okay, now let us go ahead and do some more configuration in the plugin. So for example, let's see what options we have here. So the keyword search option, the schedule is how often should the plugin automatically run. So this is in hours, so plugin runs automatically every 24 hours in this case. Maximum number of posts to import at once is 3. Post status published, you can switch it to draft, pending, private or trash. Item type, you can select the post type that you wish to create. Also custom post types will be able to be created here. Author of the post and advanced settings. So generated post title, you can change the title template of the generated post. You can use shortcodes. Here are the shortcodes that can be used, and also the post content template. Here are the shortcodes that can be used also in the post content template. Try to get full product description. If you want to get a full content of the products that you import, you can try checking this checkbox, because the Rakuten API returns only partial content through their service, and because of this the plugin can try and go in and get full product description. Merchant ID that you wish to filter for. So if you want to filter content only from a specific merchant, you can get its ID and use it to get content. So let me show you right now how to filter by merchant ID and how to get the merchant ID in the first place. So first you need to go to your Rakuten advertising account here. This is the URL, and go to programs, and afterwards go to my advertisers, and here you will see listed all the advertisers that are approved for your account, and look for the ones that offer product catalog, because the plugin will be able to import product catalogs. So if the advertiser does not have a product catalog, then it will not import anything. So let's go to this advertiser and search for MID in the URL. You will see that it's 24,808. Also, if you hover your mouse, if we go back here and you hover your mouse over, you will see its ID popping up. So this numeric ID should be added here, and the plugin will import content from this advert merchant from Rakuten affiliate marketplace. You can select also the product language, English, French, German or Brazilian Portuguese, category of the product, resulting order, price, product name, product description, category name, merchant or keyword. Remember last posted item and can continue search from it. This is a checkbox. If you check this, then the plugin will detect if it posted all content that the API returned to it, and the next time it runs it will go to the next page of the API, and like this it will make importing continuous. So if you import all the results from the first page of the API request that you made, the plugin will make the call for the next page the next time it runs, and it will import more content like this. If you uncheck this, then the plugin will import content only from the first page of the API requests, and it will be limited in this case. Also, here are other customizations for generated posts: post format, category, auto add categories from primary category, secondary category, both, and title. Remove default post category. The uncategorized category can be removed automatically. Auto add tags, same selection. Additional post tags, a comma separated list of post tags to be added to each post. Limit title word count to a number. Limit content word count to a number. Permalinks link to source. If you want to link your posts directly to source and not allow visitors to visit your posts on your site, but you wish to list posts on your main page of your site, for example, and to just create a product aggregator site, then you can check this and visitors will go directly to the marketplace products when they click on your posts. Link post images to source. This is the same but for post images. Enable comments, enable pingbacks, trackbacks, auto get featured image. Remember to disable this if you see duplicate images on your posts. Default featured image list. If the plugin does not detect any featured image for generated posts, you can input here a list of default featured image resources which the plugin will use in this case. And post custom fields and post custom taxonomies. You can enter shortcodes that can be assigned to custom fields and custom taxonomies by the plugin. So how to use this is you will need to know the textual ID of the custom fields, the slugs of the custom fields. So let's say I have a custom field slug 1, and I want to assign the item title to it. So in this case I will do like this: custom field slug 1 equals, and greater sign to make an arrow, and the shortcode that I want to assign to this custom field. If you want to create multiple custom fields, then you can separate them by comma, and you can write here your next custom field. So for example, like this. So first one will have the title and the second one will have the content of your custom field. Same for taxonomies, but in case of taxonomies, the differentiator, the separator will be semicolon. I think it's a semicolon, how you call this in English. Okay. So these are the main features from here. Now we can go to main settings, because I want to cover also the main settings of the plugin and activity and login menu. So here in the activity and login menu you will have some system info, rules that are currently running. You will see here listed the rules that are currently running. You will be able to restore plugin default settings, delete all posts generated by this plugin, and activity log. You will see here only cases when the plugin encounters some issues while using the API, the Rakuten API. Only errors and warnings will be listed here. So if it is empty, it's good. Now let's go to the main settings of the plugin, and here you will be able to set up the API access as I showed you earlier. Do not check generated posts in rule settings. This is useful if you have many posts generated by the plugin, tens of thousands of posts, and In this case, the loading of this menu can be slow, and it can be sped up by checking this checkbox. This will make this menu to load very quick if you have tens or even hundreds of thousands of posts published on your site. You can change the color of the buttons that the plugin generates, which are visible in the front end. Buy now button text, you can change the button text, the buy now button text here. Add rel no follow to generated links. Automatically shorten URLs using bit.ly. You can enter your generic access token from bit.ly here. Remove social buttons from item get intro. So the item get intro shortcode also generates a bunch of social buttons where people will be able to share your affiliate offer, but this will remove those buttons. Strip links from generated post contents if you want to remove all links from post content. Show extended item information meta bugs in post. This is visible only in classic editor, so if you are using classic editor, then you can check this checkbox to show meta bugs in each post view here in the post settings. So if you go here to a post, then you will have a meta field here, but only in classic editor. Regarding the language of posts, you can not import other languages by setting here the post language. So product language, you can change it, and only English language products will be imported as a result. Okay, so now you can also use the official version of Google Translator API. You can add your API key here. If you don't do this, then the free version of the Google Translate API will be used. Enable logging, detail logging. These are some advanced stuff that you can enable detailed logging, for example, to show more logs in the activity and logging menu of the plugin. Automatically clear logs every once in a while, as you said. Secret word for manual cron running. You can set a secret word here, and the plugin will generate a URL for you, which can be set in the server side cron of your server. But this should be used only if you have issues with the plugin's schedule, the schedule running, and WP cron should be replaced by server side cron in this case. Timeout for rule running in seconds. How many seconds are rules allowed to run in the plugin? Send rule running summary in email to this email address. Minimum title word count, maximum title word count, minimum content word count, maximum content word count. This will make the plugin skip content that do not fit these restrictions. So if the title has only 2 words, for example, you can set here 2, and words and products that have only 1 word in their titles, in this case, will not be imported. But this is just a theoretical example. Banned word list, required word list. If you want to ban words from being imported, you can do it here. And required word list, if you want to require products to have a list of specific words, then you can add them here. Add a comma separated list, both input fields here. Featured image resize size, you can set the featured image resize size. Strip HTML elements from final content ID by class. This is advanced settings, so you don't need to use this by default. Skip posts that do not have images. Automatically translate content to any of these languages using Google Translate. Translation source language. If your posts are in different languages, then you can select here the original language of the post. And spin text using word synonyms. Bass spinner, word AI, spin rewriter, and some built-in spinners are supported here. Also, to finalize this settings field and settings menu, we will see here some shortcodes like the random sentence generator. So you can use this shortcode, random sentence, and random sentence 2 shortcodes. So you can input here a list of different sentences, one on each line, and each sentence can have also variables. So if you see this percent and the weird name here, then this will be a variable. So you can set values for variables here. So for example, adjective, you can see that it has multiple values and separated by semicolons, and the plugin, when it runs and sees this shortcode, it will replace each variable with a random value from the list that you assign, and also will select a random sentence from the list and replacing this shortcode with the generated content, and this will make your posts more unique. And here are custom HTML codes that you can add to the plugin. These are the shortcodes that will be able to be used, and here you can set any ad code or any HTML code that you wish to add to the generated posts. Also, affiliate keyword replacer tool, search for a keyword, replace it with another keyword, and even more, add a link to it. So if you want to search for laptop keyword, you can add your affiliate link to the laptop keywords each time it appears in your generated posts. Even more, if you want to search for Microsoft or something else, you can replace this with your own keyword and add a link to it. Also, if you want to list posts that were generated by the plugin, you will have this shortcode if you want to do this specifically. Okay, so this was the full tutorial of the Rakutenomatic post generator plugin. You will be able to use it to get affiliate products from Rakuten marketplace and earn money by promoting these products for each sale that you generate. Thank you for watching this video until the end. Until next time, don't forget to stay safe and stay awesome. Subscribe to this channel to get notified for each video I upload, because I create new videos each day at 7 p.m. GMT. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.